Hi everyone, welcome. We're working with regular ER verbs in the present tense, and our new verb is the verb meter, which means to put in, to insert, or to stick in. It's a regular ER verb in the present tense, which means if you know these endings, you can easily conjugate it. All you have to do is remove the ER from meter, and then add any of these endings according to the subject that you want to use. So let's go ahead and practice doing that. So I remove my ER and I have the root. This is called the root. So I add my yo ending, which is meto. Tú metes. Usted, él or ella mete. Nosotros metemos. Vosotros metéis. Ustedes, ellos or ellas meten. Okay, so now we have our forms. Remember that each one of these conjugated forms can mean one of three things in the present tense. It can mean, for example, if it's insert, yo meto means I insert, I do insert, or I am inserting. When we use meter to put in, we put something inside of something else, so we need some extra vocabulary here. So we have el libro en la mochila, the book in the backpack, el tenedor en el cajón, the fork in the drawer, la mayonesa en el refrigerador, the mayonnaise in the fridge, los lápices en el escritorio, the pencils in the desk, el pie en la puerta, the foot in the door. So if I want to say I put the book in the backpack, it would be meto el libro en la mochila. I put the fork in the drawer, meto el tenedor en el cajón. I put the mayonnaise in the refrigerator, meto la mayonesa en el refrigerador. I put the pencils in the desk, meto los lápices en el escritorio. I put the foot in the door. This would be more like I put my foot in the door, meto el pie en la puerta. You put the book in the backpack. Tú metes el libro en la mochila. You put the fork in the drawer. Tú metes el tenedor en el cajón. You put the mayonnaise in the refrigerator. Tú metes la mayonesa en el refrigerador. You put the pencils in the desk. Tú metes los lápices en el escritorio. You put your foot in the door. Tú metes el pie en la puerta. She puts, ella mete. She puts the book in the backpack. Ella mete el libro en la mochila. She puts the fork in the drawer. Ella mete el tenedor en el cajón. She puts the mayonnaise in the fridge. Ella mete la mayonesa en el refrigerador. She puts the pencils in the desk. Ella mete los lápices en el escritorio. She puts her foot in the door, or this can also mean she gets her foot in the door. Ella mete el pie en la puerta. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.